powerful wind there. Today, we're talking about tornadoes and droughts. So, what is a tornado? This is a rapidly whirling funnel-shaped cloud that reaches down from a storm cloud to touch Earth, usually very brief and only lasts about 15 minutes or less. So tornadoes. How do they work? In order to form a tornado, you need three very different types of air to come together in a particular way for a tornado to form. Near the ground, there's a layer of warm, humid air and strong south winds. In the upper atmosphere, you'll find colder air and strong west or southwest winds. A change in wind speed and direction with height, called wind shear, is linked to the eventual development of rotation from which a tornado may form. The last thing you need is a layer of hot, dry air between the upper and lower layers. Tornadoes occur in spring and summer, in the afternoon when the ground is warm. Peak months are April, May, and June. The U.S. averages more than 1,000 tornadoes a year, which mostly occur in the Great Plains along what is known as Tornado Alley. So where is Tornado Alley? It's actually in the center of the United States. It's here that you have all the perfect conditions that exist for a tornado. Now, of course, tornadoes can happen anywhere, but this is where most of them happen. It happens to encompass South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, and other places. Tornadoes are measured using the enhanced Fujita scale. This scale tells you how fast the tornado is going. It starts at an EF0 and goes all the way to an EF5. Of course, an EF5 is the most destructive. However, unlike hurricanes, you can't determine how bad a tornado is until after it's occurred. So we don't know if the tornado that happens is an EF0 or an EF5 until after the event. The safest place to be, regardless of the category of a tornado, is in a storm shelter or a well-made building. Now we're going to switch gears and talk about droughts. What is a drought? A drought is when an area experiences a long period of scarce rainfall. A condition known as a drought exists. This reduces the supplies of groundwater and surface water in an area. So, what exactly causes a drought? These are usually caused by a dry weather system that remains over an area for a period of time. Droughts can cause damage to crops and famine in the affected area. You did it! I'm glad you didn't get all twisted around.